Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Today I'm gonna show you a new pattern, double-sided pattern, but it is so easy. You can make baby blanket, or you can make throw, or you can make any throw for bed or blanket for bed or bag, or you can with this you can make bag. It's up to you, but I'm gonna show you new small model. I'm gonna make for this 40. So I'm using this very thick rope wool. If you want to make baby blanket, if you want to make bag or mat or something, you can use this wool. Otherwise you have to double knitting yarn, use double knitting yarn wool or soft if you want to make for baby blanket. So I'm gonna make 40 chains. 1 2. This pattern will go multiply to 1 2. Always you have to, whatever you want, 1 meter, 2 meter, whatever, 90 centimeter, you have to just pair of chains you need always. Like if you want to make 100 110 100 like this, you can make. Then when you make in single crochet, then you can have odd 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30 31 32 33 34 35 35 36 37 38 39 40. I have 40 chains now. So I'm gonna make in back. Can you see this back stitch? I'm gonna use this back stitch to single crochet in back stitch 1. Each stitch I'm gonna make single crochet. So at the end I should have 39 single crochet at the end. So this row I'm gonna make just single crochet in back stitch, right? Sometime crochet, go wrong, so like this in back loop. So I'm gonna continue like this row, like single crochet. Then I am at the end. I have 39 single crochet. So I made 40 chains and then I have 39 single crochet. So I'm gonna turn my work. I'll make here 1 single crochet in first loop here. Next, yarn over, I'm gonna make in next stitch 2 half crochet, yarn over, then I'm gonna complete them together. Next, again I'm gonna make single crochet, yarn over, next stitch I'm gonna make 2 half crochet, then complete them together. So in this pattern you have to make 1 row like this, 1 row single crochet. So I'm gonna make, this is the, in 1 stitch 2 half crochet, then complete them together, then 1 stitch single crochet. This row will go like this, half half. So I'm using this thick yarn because you can see this easy. This isn't hard pattern, it's easy. simple pattern. Anyone can make this, even beginner can make this pattern. So just remember to make one single, then 2 half in one stitch, then complete them together. Next stitch again single, then 2 half, next stitch again one single, 2 half in one stitch, then complete single crochet, then yarn over, one single, and single crochet. So this look like this side, this is it, other side. So again I'm gonna make here single crochet. This time I'm gonna make each stitch single crochet, each stitch. So this row will go like this. I will show you at the end. Just you should have make 39 single crochet again. So viewers, again I made 39 single crochet top of them. So I'm gonna turn my work again. First one single crochet again. This is so easy pattern to understand. Yarn over, next stitch 2 half, complete them together, next single crochet, next again 2 half, complete them together, then single, again 2, then single, again 2 half, so this pattern will go like this. You can't make any size. You have to measure your make pad like 2 chain, then you can make 1 meter, some 90 centimeter, whatever you want to make, depend what you want to make. Then single crochet. I'm gonna turn my work. Okay, you can see this side. This side look like this. This side. So again, I'm gonna make here single crochet row like this. Single crochet, single crochet. So this pattern just will go one row, just single crochet, one row, one single crochet, two half crochet together. It's easy. You can make quick any project. You can use cotton yarn or normal wool yarn. So I have 39, again 39 single crochet. So I'm gonna make one single crochet, again 2 half together, then one single. So I'm gonna continue like this, nothing change. I will show you at the end of my model. So yours, my model is here. This is, I'm gonna stop here. This pattern is so easy and it has very good quality. So I hope you like it and you can make very easy if you try it. Even beginner can make this pattern. So other sides look like this and it has edges are so good. So you can see edges. So I hope you like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. If you see this side, it's look like this. I use this color. If you use colorful, that looks be better. You can make in white color. So